Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube Shorts upload failed on iPhone. So if your shorts are not uploading or keep failing on iPhone, just follow along. First, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try uploading again. Next, you need to make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for YouTube and then tap on Update if it appears. After that, fully close the YouTube app and reopen it again. You can do that by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and removing the YouTube app from the stack. Also, you need to check your iPhone storage. If your storage is low, uploads may fail. You need to also make sure your video is in the correct format, vertical 9:16 ratio, and saved properly in your Photos app. If the video is too long or corrupted, try re-exporting it from CapCut or your editing app again. And if you're using a VPN, turn it off before uploading. And if nothing works, it could be a temporary YouTube issue, so wait a while and try again later. So those are the best ways to fix YouTube Shorts upload failed on iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.